Welcome to Rio Salado College. This is part 4 of the video series How to Register for Dual Enrollment Classes. I'm your virtual assistant Rosa, and I'll take you through the final step of the enrollment process. Rio Salado College accepts tuition payments online or by phone. For classes that begin in the fall, tuition is due upon class registration or the student will be dropped from the class. For spring classes, tuition is due in January. Tuition for both semesters can be paid in the fall. To pay your tuition online, go to maricopa.edu/students. Scroll down and click on the Student Center tile. Log in using your MEID at maricopa.edu and then enter your password. Next, click on the Financial Account tile. On the next screen, click the Make a Payment button at the top left, and then click the Select button to pay the balance or set up a payment plan. If you choose to set up a payment plan, you will be redirected to the Nelnet Solutions website, where you can create an account and make payment arrangements. Note that payment plans must be set up each semester. To pay tuition by phone using a credit card, call our Student Business Services office at 480-517-8330. Congratulations! You've completed the dual enrollment registration process. Remember, you can always find helpful information on our website at riosalado.edu/dual. If you have any questions, call us at 480-517-8080 or email dual.enrollment@riosalado.edu.